little cilantro. Gotta find some recipes to get more cilantro in.
In Houston's historic 3rd Ward, the Alabama Gardens has grown from a modest effort to transform a neglected lot into a thriving community space since its inception in 1985. Founded by Various and Voyelle Smith, alongside a group of friends, this garden is established to address the critical need for fresh produce in an area marked as a food desert, providing vital nourishment to the community with a variety of seasonal vegetables like tomatoes, okra, and peppers. Over the years, the garden has seen a change in leadership, with Terry Gardner, a longtime member, taking over as coordinator in 2021.
In a row, right? See, I think they are.
His dedication has been instrumental in continuing the garden's legacy of community service and environmental stewardship. The garden's development led to partnerships with figures like Dr. Bob Randall and organizations such as Urban Harvest, enhancing its impact in fostering sustainable community practices. In collaboration with Urban Harvest, the Soul Food Garden Art Project engaged local residents in a series of workshops to co-create a mosaic mural welcoming visitors into the Alabama Gardens. Kim Perry, Director of Garden Education for Urban Harvest, played a pivotal role by coordinating the inclusion of our workshops under their program schedule. This opened up learning opportunities for a wider audience of garden enthusiasts and Urban Harvest supporters, all in support of the Alabama Gardens mosaic mural. Participants in these workshops gained hands-on experience in mosaic art making, contributing to the garden's aesthetic, while equipping themselves for future artistic endeavors. This inspires a sense of wellness and environmental stewardship within the community.
Looks fabulous, thank you!
Funded by the City of Houston and the Houston Arts Alliance, this project engaged community members in the art of mosaics to promote healthier lifestyles through gardening. The goal is to bring the community together to raise awareness of the benefits of the Alabama Gardens and to use public art to help transform a local civic space into a cultural and artistic destination. The resulting mosaic mural stands as a testament to our collective efforts, symbolizing the unity and creativity inherent in our communities. The Alabama Gardens continues to invite community participation during their monthly meetup, hosted from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. on the first Saturday of every month. This gives an opportunity for folks to come by, help out where needed, and also even just take a few fresh veggies home. So as we continue nurturing Houston's oldest community garden, we look forward to more initiatives that integrate art and gardening, strengthening our community bonds through public art.